Calculating least common denominator LCD with factoring, which involves listing prime factors of each denominator. Just like before, least common denominator is the smallest whole number that can be evenly divided by each of the given denominators. Example is 1/6 and 1/9. The least common denominator is 18, which is the smallest number that can be divided by 6 and 9 at the same time. 6 will go into 18 3 times, 9 will go into 18 2 times. Keep in mind that you can multiply 6 and 9 and get 54, which will give you a common denominator you can work with, but it's not the least common denominator. Let's calculate LCD of 18 and 27 by factoring. You can break down 18 into primes actually using factor 3. So we can say 18 is 2 times 9. Well, we got a prime here. Then we can say 9 is 3 times 3. We got our 3 prime factors of 18. Let's do the same for 27. So 27 can be written as 3 times 9. 3 is a prime. We circle it. 9 is 3 and 3. To get the LCD, we need the least amount of factors to make each of the numbers. So right here, for 18, we need a 2, will include 2, times, we need a 3, well, 18 has a 3, now 27 also has a 3. We do not need repetitions, so we have 3. To make 18, we need another 3, and it has a repetition, so we have times another 3. Right now, if you look at the LCD, you have 2 times 3 times 3, and this will make 18. To make a 27, you need a 3, you need another 3, and we need this extra 3 that had no matching pair. So least common denominator will be 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, which gives us 54. To check, we want to make sure that 54 can be evenly divided by 18 and 54 is evenly divided by 27. 18 goes into 54 3 times and 27 goes into 54 2 times. Alrighty, let's do this example. We have 12, 15, and 30. So first denominator is 12. We want to factor it out. We can rewrite this as 2 times 6. 2 is a prime. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. And you stop once you reach all the primes. 15 can be broken down into 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are both primes. And 30 can be broken down into 2 times 15. 15 can be broken down into 3 times 5. Using this method, LCD is the smallest number of primes you need to make each of those numbers. So just do one number at a time and make sure you do not count repetitions in each of the numbers. What I mean is, we need this 2 to make a 12. Now this 1, 2 will repeat with the 2 over here, so we have 2 times. We need another 2 to make a 12. Now there is no more repetitions of 2's, so we have 2. We need a 3 to make a 12. Now 12 has 1 3, 15 has 1 3, and 30 has 1 3. So we counted all the repetitions just once. Okay, and now we just need a 5 to make 15, and it repeats with a 35. These three numbers will make it 12. 2 times 2 times 3 gives us 12. 2 times 3 times 5 will give us 30, and 3 times 5 we can create 15 out of it. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 will give us LCD of 60. To check, we want to make sure that 60 can be divided by 30 evenly. We also want to make sure that 60 can be evenly divided by 12 and by 15. 30 goes into 60 2 times, 12 goes into 65 times, and 15 goes into 64 times. Let's calculate LCD of denominators with 2, 18, and 30. 2 is a prime, so we are done. 18 can be broken down into 2 times 9. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. 30 can be broken down into 3 times 10. And 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5. So LCD will be, well, we need this 2 to make it 2. Now, we have a repetition in 18 and 30. We do not count repetitions of the factors in separate numbers. We need this 3 to make 18, and it repeats in 30. So we have 2 times 3. Now this 3 has no match, so we need this 3, and this 5 has no repetitions. We have 5. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 will give us 90. And to check, we want to make sure that 90 can be divided by 2, which is 45. We want to make sure that 90 can be divided by 18, which is 5. And that we can divide 90 by 30, and we have 3. Let's find LCD of 6, 3, and 12. We have 6 can be broken down into 2 times 3. 3 is a prime, so we don't have to do much. 12 can be broken down into 2 times 6. And 6 can be broken down into 2 times 3. Once you have all the primes, you can calculate LCD. So we need a 2, and it has repetition over here. So 2 times, we need a 3, it has repetitions in each of the numbers, and we need this extra 2 to make it 12. So 2 times 3 times 2, we have 12 as being least common denominator. To check, we take 12 divided by 12, which is 1. 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And 12 divided by 6, which is 2. That's all.